Everyone, this is part 3 of my diamond painting haul from Amazon. I already opened the end of it, and why don't we get into it and see what it is. Jibber jabber all day before I let you say it. Oh, alright, there we go. And this way. Okay. I remember this one. Oh, it doesn't say how big it is, but it is pretty big. It's a wolf. And I think it's inside of a dream catcher. That's what it was. This one has 25 colors. We have the numbers, letters, and looks like we got a symbol in there. Look at that. Can we see it? Alright. Canvas feels nice. Okay, can you see them good? Let's see. Open. Alright. Oh yeah, that's nice. They did a good job there. Alright, so I'm really pleased with what I ordered. That came out really good. This one, I believe, was $8.99, and the bird was $12.99, and the flower, I'm not sure how much flour was. It was quite a while ago when I ordered that. That one came from China, and this one and the bird were sent by Prime, so they came within a few days. Ooh, look at the blue eyes. Looks so nice. That looks so good. Alright, let's see what else came inside. This one don't have, does that have a number? It's 35. Yeah, it didn't have a number on it, so I hope these are the right ones. They're round. Okay, so we got blues and grays and purples and greens. Mostly greens. So the blues gonna really pop on this one. These are so pretty. They look nice. Okay. And then the boat and the wax and the pen. Well, that was my haul. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Talk to you later.